Salam and hey guys, you're with me Wani Ezra. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox the last of my Polly Pocket Hidden Hideouts collection. Before this, I just unboxed this Unicorn Utopia. See, there's a tiny cute unicorn over here. And then there's also Princess Pat and the Mermaid Cove. And today I would love to unbox this Flutterrific forest for all of us, for you and for me. So let's get started. Just I'm going to open up the box or the packaging, how it looks like. The Flutterrific forest. Oh, that's how you pronounce it. Okay, so here's the box, and it's in a very beautiful light blue color with a gold ribbon. I think this is gold, right? And there's also a pink butterfly on top, and it really shows the theme of the Flutterrific forest. So in forest there might be a butterfly or some sort, right? Okay, and how about we see the doll? There's the doll, so I'm going to take out the doll first. Let's just get sticky. Okay, and here we have Polly Pocket, and she's also wearing a beautiful blue dress, just like it's almost same as the color of the box. Not really the same color, but yeah. And Polly Pocket's wearing the blue dress with a butterfly on here, and she's wearing a blue boot. And right now I'm going to open the Polly Pocket compact, and see what we have here. Ta-da! Oh, it looks so lovely. And we see there's a forest theme going on inside the box, inside the compact. And of course, they provide us with the micro stickers. All the heart shapes, Polly Pocket heart shaped stickers, and also the theme stickers. Okay, so these are all butterflies, flowers, and it suits the forest pretty much. And let's see what we have over here. So this actually looks like a garden, but actually it's a forest. And we can see there's a picnic thing going on, picnic basket and everything. And I'm going to put Polly here, so she's going to have a picnic. And what we have here, this is a very cute purple mushroom. Maybe Polly can sit here and we can spin her around, probably. And here is a stream or a pond or river. I think it's a stream, and you can see the fish is swimming inside. That looks so cool. Okay, and as usual in the hidden hideouts, we're going to punch it and peel out and see what's hidden inside. So before we do our thing, let's see what we have on the hidden hideouts pictures here, because it's so beautiful and so lovely. It's all colorful. We have the waterfall, we have the rainbow, and there's colorful trees, the butterflies, of course, it's butterfly theme, and the sun is shining bright. It looks so, a happy forest. And there's of course the mushroom is here, and cute ladybug, and there's a tree branches. Okay, so these are the tree and the grass and everything, so it looks so nice. So I'm going to punch the first one, our hidden hideouts, and see what's inside. Oops. Okay, let's see what we have. So this is, I think you cannot see it because of the zoom blur, but this is actually a flower crown. It's a crown, but it's flower. It's purple one. So I'm going to put it on Polly's head. So she's going to wear this. Oops. Yeah, she looks so lovely with the flower crown. And I guess, oh yeah, this is actually a swing. You can see Polly can maybe lay down here, and this is also look like a hammock, but it made by leaf, leaf hammock. So Polly can actually lay down here and maybe take a nap or something. Okay, let's put aside first. And the second one, let's see. Second one. Always love the surprise. Okay, now let's see what we have. There's what you call this? This one for the mannequin or something, for you put your dress here, and then we get a beautiful butterfly wings. It's always in purple. And if you close up, you can see there's a bookshelves with books in it, and a window, a tiny window. How about I'm taking Polly here, and I'm going to make her wear the beautiful purple butterfly wing. Oh, she looks like a fairy actually. She's actually a butterfly, so it looks so nice. And she's also going to wear this crown, flower crown. Yeah? Yes? Yay or nay? Of course, yay. And I'm going to punch out the last but not least. So the third hidden hideout is, oh, we receive another tiny item here. So I think this is a snail. I'm going to open the plastic now. Now you have a blue and yellow snail. So I'm going to sit here for a while, and let's see what we have here. This looks like something that can make Polly fly, probably, because okay, if she takes out the butterfly wings, and if we just stick her here, she can actually fly her way up and fly her way down. Oh, that's so nice and that's so cool. So that's my unboxing of the Flutterrific Forest, the Polly Pocket Flutterrific Forest with Polly Pocket, and introducing the snail. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention the staircase, cute one. The stone staircase. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and here are my hidden hideouts collection. I'm going to, of course, peel the stickers. In the meantime, I'm going to stick it everywhere here. So that's the 4 collection that I have. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.